Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today I will discuss few sentences from a Chinese movie or drama, and the purpose of this video lecture is to improve your listening skills of Chinese language. मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शाहिद है और आज हम जो जुमले पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो लिए गए हैं एक चीनी फिल्म या ड्रामे से। और इस लेक्चर का मकसद ये है कि हमारी जो है सुनने की सलाहियत बढ़ सके चीनी जुमलों के बारे में या चीनी ज़बान के बारे में। तो मैं इसकी वजाहत करूँगा इंग्लिश और उर्दू दोनों ज़बानों में, और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये आपके लिए आसानियाँ पैदा करे। तो so let's proceed and get to know about the sentences which we are going to discuss in this lecture. So let's hear the pronunciation of these sentences one by one. आए हम इन जुमलों का तर्जुमा सुनते हैं। So I'll highlight or underline these sentences. So the first sentence is this one. 每天你都有机会 Every day you have an opportunity 跟别人擦身而过擦身而过 Every day you have an opportunity to pass by with others. 你也许对他一无所知 You might not know anything about him. You might not know anything about him. 不过也许有一天他会变成你的朋友。每天你都有机会跟别人擦身而过。你也许对他一无所知，不过也许有一天他会变成你的朋友。每天你都有机会跟别人擦身而过。你也许对他一无所知，不过也许有一天他会变成你的朋友。So this is how we speak it in Chinese. Every day, 每天 means every day, you have a chance to pass by with others. You may know nothing about him. Okay? You may know nothing about him, but maybe one day he will become your friend. Okay. So we are going to explore the individual meaning of these words in the slides coming next to these. The Urdu meaning of these sentences are हर रोज़ आपको किसी के पास से गुज़रने का मौका मिलता है. I can write it like this. Okay. हो सकता है आप उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानते हो, लेकिन हो सकता है कि एक दिन वो आपका दोस्त बन जाए. तो ये उर्दू मानी है इन जुमलों के. Okay, we are going to proceed towards the individual meaning of these words. 每天 means every day, हर रोज़. 你 this is 每天 every day, हर रोज़. 你 means you in English, तुम in Urdu. This word is dao. Sometimes Chinese people pronounce it like dao with a D sound, and sometimes they pronounce it like pronounce it with a sound like T, tao. So it means all, okay? And yo means to have. In Urdu we can say hey, or tao in Urdu means sab. Ji hui means opportunity, moqa. Gun with in English, and in Urdu we can say ke saath. Pierren, other people or log. Okay? This one is 擦身而过 pass by, पास से गुजर जाने को हम कहते हैं 擦身而过 pass by. 对他 the meaning of 对他 is to him, but here it means about him. ठीक है, 对他का मतलब है उसके लिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे इसका मतलब है उसके बारे में. The pronunciation of this word is like the pinyin of this is like this. 也许 perhaps or probably or maybe हो सकता है या शायद in Urdu, and in English it is perhaps or probably or maybe. 也许一无所知 know nothing at all, कुछ इल्म ना होना, कुछ ना जानना किसी चीज़ के बारे में. So that means that phrase is 一无所知 Okay, proceeding ahead. Here the original tone mark of this pu is fourth tone, but here 2 4 tones are combining, so we will change this into a second tone and this will remain as a fourth tone. So pu guo, however or but, albatta या लेकिन. 有一天 one day, एक दिन. 变成 become or change into or transform into. Okay, ban jana. The pronunciation of this word is 你的 means yours, tumhara, yours in English, tumhara in Urdu. The last word is 朋友 sometimes Chinese people write it the yo in the 朋友, they write it with the third tone, and they also write it with the neutral tone, which they call the fifth tone. So they say that most commonly they use fifth tone, the neutral tone in 朋友 means friend. 朋友 friend in English and dost in Urdu. So this is how we can say it in Chinese language. I hope the meanings of these individual words are clear to you now. So this was all about the lecture today, and now we are going to go to enjoy the real sentences taken from the Chinese movies. अभी हम चीनी फिल्म या ड्रामे का जो सीन है, जो इसमें जुमले हमने पहले बोले हैं, उन जुमलों की वीडियो अभी आप देखने जा रहे हैं. So enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. Enjoy the real sentences from the Chinese movie or drama and improve your listening skills of Chinese language. See you in the next interesting lecture of Chinese language. 再见.
王家卫说，每一天你都有机会跟别人擦身而过。你也许对他一无所知，不过也许有一天，他会变成你的朋友。